Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
Hello guys, good morning. Today is August. Nagkakagising lang yan galing nap. Today is August 13? 13 ata ngayon or 14. So I'll check later. So inutusan ko ang mga bata guys na ipaputok yung mga balon from the birthday surprise last time. Kasi ano siya guys, it's all over the place. Then ayok, parang ang kalat tingnan. So let's see. Wait, look at this guys.
Okay, 1, 2.
Come on, throw it first. Throw it all away first.
Wait. I need to put all
There. It's all.
That was fun.
Wait, that's so loud. Huh? Slowly. Parang natakot din ako eh. That's all? That's all?
No.
The gold one you can stay. The gold one.
The good one. I already plucked that.
It's all now?
Yeah, I think yeah. Warte. In der Kammer vielleicht. Net. It's on.
Wala na. Pumutok na lahat. Good job, girls. Kasi pumuputok siya sometimes, guys, at night time. Tapos, makurat si Francene. Natatakot si Francene. Ayun, nag-ano ako dun, ang kalat. Nagluto lang ako ng guys, ng lasagna para lunch nila. Kasi, yung stepdaughter ko, uwi ngayon sa mama niya. Tapos, dito na ata yan tumira ba? Tagal na yan dito. Umuwi lang yan sa kanyang mama. Kasi, siguro, patitirahin na namin yan dito. Kasi para, tayo sa, pambayad. Another tupiin. You go there, boom, 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 balon. Boom, balon. So, check ko lang. Yung tanim namin, So, check ko lang yung guys, yung... wait. Before ko i-continue ang video, baka makalimutan ko. Shoutout ako kang... guys, YouTuber natin na taga Germany din, si Pinay in Germany. Hello, ito na shoutout na kita. Pinay din siya guys na nakatira dito sa Germany and she's also doing vlog and we are almost the same. My stepdaughter din siya and then my baby din siya. And then God bless your family, Sisi, and sana magkita tayo one day, no? Pero parang malayo ka ata, Sisi, oy. Pero yun. Pa-subscribe naman sa kanyang channel, guys, si Pinay in Germany. Hello. Ang saya ko talaga dahil sa YouTube. 1 year na ako dito sa YouTube world, guys. Dahil sa YouTube, ang dami kong friends, naging friends online at dami kong nakilalang mga bagong friends at saka doon naman sa mga viewers ko na hanggang ngayon nanonood pa kayo. Thank you so much and that's it. So ayun, tingnan ko muna. Chika-chika, pagod totoo akong lasagna dito. Lasagna na siya, gawa na siya guys. Lalagay na lang sa oven. Yun lang ipapalunch ko kasi around 12:30 ipipick up si Vanessa. And then, so see you sa lunch namin guys. Ayan na siya, naluto na siya guys.
Lasagna. Yeah.
Okay.
1,000 years later.
Hot there na?
I know.
I know.
Do you know how to do that?
You go home with your mom?
No.
Vanessa?
No, with my auntie.
Yeah, I know, but you're gonna pick up your mama.
Yeah. It's so hot here.
You miss your mom?
Yeah.
When do you come back here?
What?
When you come back here?
I don't know.
You don't come back here?
2
Das?
Wochen.
Nein, eine Woche.
Doch, 2 Wochen. Das
Okay.
ist dir. Guck.
Put her down, put her down.
Heute ist 13.
Komm, Alabi nicht.
Yeah.
Mann, what?
Her water from Francene.
Ich hol Gabel dabei.
Yeah.
How many tree?
3. First.
3 for 1 for Jean, for Ella, for me.
So where are you gonna sit there? Careful with your clothes.
To see.
Now.
Come back, come back. Francene, beep beep. Beep beep. Come. Yep. Oopsie. Oopsie.
Uy, careful with the washing dye.
Oh, it's
Next.
on. It's on. It's on.
Switch it off.
Where?
No.
No.
My God. Kain.
Wenn es
Sa-
auch an ist. Hier. Zu.
Pakain ko muna sila, Day.
Yummy.
Pinauna kong kain kasi alis tong isa. Anyo? Tuya, tuya, tuya. Tuya, tuya, tuya. 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 Yeah. Uy! No? Watch out! Nababay bird! No? There's the bird, oh. You wanna try it, Francene?
Oh.